number will have its first digit, the last digit of the original number. We have to use a while loop to continue the steps until number after divided by 10 will be 0. To split number into digit, we have to residue number by 10. First, we'll name the new number as inverse equal 0. While number is not 0, we'll also have a temporary variable temp equal number residue 10. That is for digit. If we have residue 10, it will be 53. 531. Residue 10, 1. The last digit. Inverse equal inverse times 10 plus temp. We'll have inverse equal 0 times 10 plus temp, that will be 1, and inverse is 1. Number will be divided by 10. 531 divided by 10, it will be 53. Now temp equal 53 residue 10, that is 3. The inverse is 13. And the last temp is 5. Inverse equal 1, 3, and 5. That is the value that will be printed to the user, 135. We are at dev.C++ and we have written libraries and main function. Variables that we need are number, new inverse number, and the result. We'll declare now integer number, inverse or reverse number 0, and result. Result you can name as a temporary variable. We'll say to the user to give the number and scanf. As we said, while loop will be while number is not 0, we'll continue doing those steps. Result or temp equal number residue 10. To take the digits of the number, new number will be inverse equal inverse times 10 plus result. With this formula, the last digit of the number will be the first digit of the new number, and we'll divide number by 10. Printf inverse number is %d inverse and return 0. We'll compile our code, give the number 5678. Inverse number is 8765. We are right.